and I'm watching my mentor. He's one of my favorite YouTuber on YouTube. He creates all about forex trading content and he's very consistent, guys. Go subscribe. His name is Andrew Dax. Even professional traders fail challenges. They fail challenges, huge amounts, 100k, 200k. They still fail and buy till they get paid out. Yo, welcome again. It's your boy Happy Boy is back again on this YouTube channel. Yeah, I can hear you. Nothing, how is work? Whatever it will take you to achieve success in this trading industry is what you'll be doing. The worst thing that can happen to you, or the worst thing you can do, is to tell your family or to tell your friends what to do, or to tell your relative that you do trade, because it's going to mount a lot of pressure on you. Trading is one thing that it doesn't only gives you money, it doesn't only gives you freedom. It gives you freedom, it gives you money. It also builds character, which being disciplined, being patient. Once you have discipline, you're also gonna be patient. You're gonna be patient to wait for your age to play out. Whenever you are impatient in your trade, you see that you get to take early setup. You see that you get to start looking for trades to take. But if you are someone that is patient in what you are doing, you know your age, you see that you'll be taking more of accurate trades than taking trades that are not matured enough. This Monday morning, and although I don't trade on Mondays, so what I'm gonna do today is to just check one or two things. Although Mondays I do have VIP calls with my mentees and my team. So after this call this early morning, although I won't do any call with them, so after this call early morning, I'm going to school for some practicals. After practicals, I'll come back for other things, because Monday is just for chilling, and after chilling, just prepare for tomorrow. And on Tuesdays I only trade on New York section. Once that New York section comes, I only look forward to take only 2 trades.
Good day everybody. Let me give you guys one tip that once I noticed. Now, when you are trading, you have to have in mind that we have London section and New York section. Now, when you're trading that London section, you should know that by 11 a.m., once it's 11 a.m., just close your trade, go and rest. Because when you're holding that trade will be better come back to that London section low. To come back to that London section low, you will let liquidity that will push it up for New York section. Do you understand? Because they need to, people that are in New York, they are still sleeping up till now, you understand? So their section has not opened. So they need to give them that same M3 they gave you guys. So then you can enter and trade. So that's why sometimes, most of the time, that was why I was making that mistakes by holding trade till London section, New York section. Like when I hold those trades from London section to New York section, it will definitely reverse and come back. And still go up again. I've had that experience like twice. You understand? So which is not nice. So what I did is that I closed the trade. Then I closed the trade with 1:4. 1:4. Yes, I closed the trade with 1:4 risk reward ratio.
Yeah, I do one.
Yes, I closed the trade with 1:4 risk reward. So I'm waiting for Oye to give me a discount price on that London section low, so that I can buy it again from there when your session open. Buy it from there and hold it till the day closes. So that's what I'll be doing now. So I don't want to be holding that trade, like holding the trade. What I just want to be taking the money. Like, taking once I see that, you understand? Once I see 100 and something K, I close. I wait for a new session to open again. I see that just like I'll be accumulating the money. No need to just come and hold the trade before it will come back, and all the trades I've been holding, the profit will just go.
These are plans that you have Get, these are plans that you have, these are things that you always want to be doing. Get, no matter what the challenge is, you got to stick to the plan. You got to trust the process and detach from the outcome. You see, when you trust the process, you see that start following your plan, you start being disciplined. But when you touch yourself too much in the outcome, you have a winning trade and you are monitoring the trade every minute. When you attach yourself so much in the winning trade or in a losing trade, you intend to add some certain ways. You intend to invite anxiety in your trading, and which isn't proper. Trust the process and detach yourself from the outcome. Or they might tell you that this thing isn't working, or your family might tell you that stop this and look for work chat. Let me just tell you guys, I'm sorry about my life how I stopped my 9 to 5 work. Although that was when I graduated from secondary school. So when I graduated from my secondary school, I didn't have in mind to go to a high institution. So what I did was I always have in mind for other ways to make money. Although my family is the type of family that so much love education, so they always want everybody to go to school. After school, you look for a job, a high-paying job, then start supporting the family. Although me, I have my own ways of doing things. I have my own personal ways of doing things. Everybody has the way they are built. I resigned from my work after 7 months of work, paying salary, waking up every morning to go to work. Until now, I haven't worked. I entered school to make sure that I accomplish that my family dream of going to school. Understand? So I'm in school right now, and I'm also trying my best to get the best degree. Then after school, I'll still continue my trading career. Most times I always watch some YouTube content about profitable traders, and most of my inspiring mentors are South African traders. These guys inspire me a whole lot. Most of South African traders do trade Nasdaq, trade stocks and futures indices. Although Nigerian traders do inspire me though. But there's this feeling I get whenever I watch their content. Someone like Dr. Martins, DJ Coach, I'm going to be a multi-million trader in this game. Sometimes you blow some account and you don't have money to fund back. And when you don't have money to fund back, you will not stop. All you can still do is to just go back to your demo and back test, trade demo. Demo is not a bad thing. You understand? Even most of these traders, once in their life they did demo. So you can do demo, back test your strategy, use demo as a simulator of a normal trading account. No things that you are doing wrong. Just stick to the plan, trust the process. Trust the process, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe. See you guys on the next video.